Hey Linkers, so you got the Yoshi doll and you wonder, what do I do with a Yoshi doll in a Zelda game? Well, I'm going to show you where to bring him. So just watch to the end of the video, and you'll see it's a house that's straight up from here. That's where it is. But you can watch me go to it in the video if it's easier that way. So if this video helped you, please like it. Because liking helps bring it up in the rating and then lets other people see it if they're having trouble too. So liking really helps. And it takes 2 seconds. And you know what? I don't even want you to subscribe to me. So don't subscribe to me, just give me a like. Anyways, this video helped you. I'm glad. Bye.
Ah!